I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to make captions like Alex Hormozi using a tool called Submagic, and this tool is an absolute game changer when it comes to creating short form content because you can create super high quality dynamic captions in just a few clicks. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is head over to submagic.co. This is what the homepage looks like, and the first thing you actually want to click on is create my video now. From here, it's going to prompt you to sign in if you haven't got an account already, so go ahead and do that. Now, once you're on this page, all you have to do is simply drag and drop your video into here. You'll now see a quick preview, so you can give it a quick listen to make sure that it's the right video. And then what you want to do here is select the language that you are using. So for me, it's going to be English. And then I'm going to go ahead and press upload. And you'll notice in just a few moments, Submagic is automatically going to start generating my captions for you. And then you'll see that you'll reload onto this page where you're actually going to be able to see all of your captions in real time. So now if we go ahead and click play, you'll see that we've automatically got captions on our video. Now what you can do here is fully customize it. So if you want to change it to you believe, so I believe it does actually say you won't believe. So you won't believe how easy. So you can see that it automatically just amends that change for you. And now we've got the captions ready to go. So make sure that it has everything that you're saying. And then once you click on design, you'll actually be able to change your font. So in this video, we've been showing you how to create the Alex Hormozi style fonts. And you'll notice that there are actually 3 different options. By default, we have the Hormozi 2. But if we click on Hormozi 1, you can see it's got a little bit of a rotation. Then Hormozi 3, you can see it's less of a drop shadow. But what you can go ahead and do here is change your color, also change your size, as well as your positioning. And then if you want to change your highlighted colors or your main colors, you can also go ahead and do this here. So say for example, I want it to be blue, then we can change it in here, and then we'll see that this automatically applies onto our subtitles. The next thing you can do to level up your captions even further and customize it and make it your own captions is if you actually go ahead and click on the customize button, you'll be able to change your font. So here you've got a huge list of fonts that you can change from. So for example, if I like Roboto, I can then change it to normal, light, or heavy. I've then also be able to change my color captions if I want. So I can make it that color, change the size, and then also opt to have uppercase enabled or just have it as lowercase. From here, we'll also be able to change the drop shadow. So here you've got small, medium, and large. I think I'm gonna change the uppercase back to caps because I prefer that. And then here you have a little bit more customization. So if you only wanted one line, you can click on one line or one word at a time. And then you can choose if you want to have animations in your video or not. So to give you a quick preview, this is what it looks like with animations, and then this is what it looks like without animations. So depending on what style you're going for, you can go ahead and customize this. And then here you also have the option to enable or disable your emojis. So I kind of prefer it without emojis, so I'm gonna put no emojis. But if you want Submagic to automatically decide when to add emojis for you, click on auto and it will do that for you. Finally, you can finish customizing where you want your captions to be positioned. Again, you can change your highlighted colors. And then once you're happy, you just go ahead and press save. And then from here, your custom font has now been created. So if we go back to the design tab, go back here, we can now see that our custom theme has now been created. So now whenever we create future videos, we can just click on our custom one, and then we know that it's got all of the settings that we've already pre-selected. You also notice if you click on the description button, Submagic is automatically going to generate a description for you with hashtags and emojis. And as you can see by this video, it's absolutely amazing. It's done a superb job. So this is pretty much good to go. What we can do from here is save it if you want to export it later, or go ahead and click on export. And then in just a few moments, you'll see that Submagic will automatically export your video where you'll be able to download it and then post it to social media as soon as you want. And as you saw, it was super easy to create these captions. Do let us know in the comments down below if you want us to add any more of your favorite creators' captions. But if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.